Okay, I just want to do this quick video of this unpackaging. I just got these headphones. Well, I got them about a week ago, so I'm finally doing unpackaging today. And I just want to do this real quick. But yeah, this is a second pair earbuds that I purchased. These were my first pair, if you remember in the last video. Again, this is the same non-branding type of earbuds. But you can see, I think they're made by the same manufacturer because package looks similar, as you can see. These say super bass, and these say bass. So I'm thinking maybe these don't have as much as sound as these do. But these were the first pair that I reviewed. And you see. And I guess the reason why they call these super bass is because they have, like, from what it says on the packaging, it has like dual drivers. So it says it has supposed to have like dual 10 millimeter drivers. So I'm not really sure if it does, but I was really surprised. The sound quality of these are really good. I was really surprised. I'm going to do a full review on these, but yeah, the sound quality is really good. So I am expecting pretty good sound quality from these. As you can see, they're about the same, almost look the same. The packaging is just slightly different, but it look like they're from the same manufacturer. You know, the same there's no brand, so no branding on these things. So let's see how they sound. Let's first show you the quality of them. Yeah, these come with those, I forgot what you call them. I come with a couple of them. There we go, yeah. This over here. So you get an extra pair of these. And here they are. Yeah, these sound pretty much, I'm sorry, they feel pretty much, feel a little different. These actually, the cables are not cloth on this one. It's rubber. It has a really like a real rubber texture. But this one, now this is the bass. This is called bass. These are called super bass. So this is just a, I guess, basic bass version. But the cable feels rubber, but it feels kind of different. It feels kind of like a plastic rubber, like plastic. But here's a look up close, see if I can get a look. So these are the earbuds. Yeah. So you got one side is red, one side is kind of bluish green. Yeah, the closures or earpiece, it's all plastic. Right here, this is all plastic. But it's still pretty good, you know. To tell you the truth, it feels better. The quality of this one feels better than this one. This one seems like it feels like, I don't want to say really cheap, but let's see if I get a better focus on this one. There you go. Both of these earbuds are plastic, but this one, I don't know, it just feels a little bit better quality, I guess you could say. So yeah, that's it. So there's not really much to these earbuds. I'm gonna wrap it. So I'm gonna take a listen to it. But first, let's go over the specs real quick. As you can see, says this specs on this says it's 32 ohms, and the drivers are, they say between 10 to 14 millimeters. I don't know if they, probably 10, but that's what it says. 10 to 14 millimeters. And the decibels, let me see, 108. So the sensitivity is 108. Driver size, well, they call it horn, but driver size is, they say, either 10 millimeters to 14. And the response is from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. And that's a little bit different. These were actually right here. These said they were like from 5 to 25 or 30,000 hertz. But after listening to them, I don't think they really are. But these are supposed to be from 20 to 20,000 hertz. So that's on basic average. Standard, let's just say. So yeah, this is the earbuds, and quality, as I mentioned before, it's not bad. There you go. Yeah. So this is the, let's see, the right, and this is the left. So they are labeled left and right, as you can see. Yeah. But the other ones were not labeled, so don't know why. But anyway, that's about it, you know. Good quality. So let's see how they sound. Take my phone and plug it in. I'm gonna play the same track that I played before. I think the group is called Men I Trust, and I forgot what the song is called. Ghostly something. Okay, it's called Again Ghostly by Men I Trust. So again, this is a great album. You know, I haven't listened to the album, but just listening to the 2 songs on it, you know, from it, it's really great. You know, if you like electronic music or electronic dance, or pop, actually, electronic pop. Oh yeah. Wow. Wow. You know what? I believe these have actually too much bass, more bass than the other ones. Wow. Let's see. Wow. I'll try another track because this is another song by the group. Again, you know, I love this music. I guess you call it electronic pop. Sounds nice. Good music. Yeah, wow. I think these do have a different sound from the other pair. I don't know. To me, they sound more bass heavy, believe it or not. Here they are. I mean, these things are really tiny, but they put out a lot of sound. But these are actually called just bass, as you can see. And these other ones are called super bass. So I mean, it seems like these have more bass than these. I'm gonna listen to these real quick. I mean, they have a totally different sound. I mean, they sound different from these, I think. Let me make sure real quick. Oh, I also wanted to mention one more thing. As you can see, there's actually a volume control, and I didn't mention this in my last video, but yes, there's a volume control, which I think is pretty cool. It actually is a slider. You just slide up like that, see? And it increases the volume of the headphones. So that's a pretty nice feature to have. Again, you know, it's all plastic, so you know it's not going to last very long, but it's still, you know, nice to have while it's working. So it has a volume control on both of them, so that's pretty nice. So right now I'm going to try these just to see the sound quality. See if I get it. There we go. Try these real quick, because I think I noticed this difference in sound, and I'm surprised. Okay. Hey, listen to this song. Wow. Yeah, it is a difference. Wow. Wow. Yeah, it's a difference. I'm really surprised, you know. To be honest, these actually sound better. These have more of a fidelity than these, you know. I'm shocked. These actually have better fidelity, and they're not as bass heavy as these. See if I get it. Yeah, there you go. Again, these have dual drivers. I don't know if you can see right here, but this part of the casing is transparent, so you can kind of see right there that there are two drivers right there. So yeah, I'm shocked. These have more fidelity. Like, the highs are much better. You can actually hear more highs than you can with the other earbuds. So yeah. Turn this on. Yeah, these, I'm surprised. I'm really shocked. These are really bass heavy. I mean, they don't have the fidelity like the other ones have. And I'm really shocked because these are, you know, smaller, and they look like they maybe have the same size driver, but you would think they would have better fidelity and not that much bass because they are smaller than the other ones. But these are bass heavy. These have more bass than the other ones. And I don't know. I'm not saying they don't sound harsh, but they sound like they have definitely a boost in the bass region. And the highs and the mids are kind of, I don't know, the mids are pretty strong in this. But these don't sound as balanced as these. These are just a, to me right now, they are just a better sounding balanced pair of earbuds. And actually these are around the same price. I got these for like $3. Yeah, $3, free shipping. And these were like $2, $2.25 plus $4 for shipping. Again, these are the better sounding headphones from what I have listened. I haven't did a total, you know, I haven't did a full listening test, but I'm going to do one with a lot of different tracks. But so far, just hearing this small sample, these have better sound. The sound is just more balanced. That's what I could say, it's balanced. So yeah. But these are really, they sound a bit more dynamic. Yeah, a bit more dynamic and bass heavy. Really bass heavy. And I'm surprised for something this small. So yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to do a quick review. And again, you know, these have no branding. So they're just called bass, I guess. See. So I'm going to do a full test. I'm going to continue to listen to these just to see how they sound with other music. But it's definitely a difference in sound. So if you're someone just like, you know, earpiece or earbuds that are really bass heavy, these are. And again, you know, these are so cheap. They're only like $3. And it's still, even for $3, it's still worth getting, you know, even though they're not as balanced as these. But for $3 you can't go wrong. You got a volume control. If you lose them or go to the gym and lose them or you break them, they only cost $3, you know. It's still worth it. They're definitely worth $3, you know. And they have a lot of bass, you know, for this size. So that's about it. Just wanted to do a quick review, so hope you like it. And I'm going to do a full test on these later today. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.